How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to CNC Auto Works. Today gonna go ahead and replace this deck lid filler panel here. As you can see, this old one's rotted out. Try to attempt to repair it, but it's so rotted it just goes on like it's peanut butter or something. It just keeps on spreading. And then gonna go ahead and put that filler panel in there. Got this whole rear end all brand new now. And that's about the last part that'll be brand new now. Alright, to go ahead and get this started, I'm going to cut down these seams where it has the weld down there, and then we're going to go ahead and get with a grinder, and we're going to get a air chisel and cut all the spot weld, or air chisel all the spot welds out of here, and then get that cleaned up after this thing falls off and slap a new one on, or see if it slaps on.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. I need an angel after what you did, 'cause you were the devil, you messed with my head. You lied to my mother, you lied to my friends. You said that you'd be there, but this never ends. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost. Inside my head, you're just a ghost, you're never there. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips. You're just a ghost inside my head. Oh, you're just just a ghost inside my head. I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake.
Got the filler panel out, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and get it ready to put the new one on. I'm gonna use some Rust-Oleum rust reformer that might do something.
It doesn't, or it might?
It does, maybe. I don't know. It's probably a spray paint, but we'll just take the name for what it says. To get this preparated, what, you know what I should say? Prepared? Prepped?
Get this prepped.
Okay, so I got this thing prepped, went ahead and drilled holes in it, and went ahead and painted everything where it all touches and everything with some of that Rust-Oleum rust reformer. And is that pretty much it?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Got the deck panel all welded in. Welded the sides. On the sides. Welded up the holes. Welded the bottom. And it's in there and rust free like. This will be it for this video, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.